Welcome to PaidToday, how to add attachments to course lessons. First thing you need to do, go ahead and open up your course, click on the course on the left sidebar here, and then choose the course you wish to edit, and click the edit button, and then go into your course modules and lessons tab on the top. And now we're looking at our modules and our lessons, and then go ahead and click edit on the lesson you want to add the course material or attachments to. So we'll open up this first one here, and then on the right hand side we're going to scroll down and we can see a little drop zone here. I'm just going to go ahead and click on this and choose the file I wish to upload. And we can see now that the file is now uploaded right here. And then if I wanted to remove that, all I'd have to do is click this trash can button right here. And to remove the attachment, we'll go ahead and just save the lesson.